my dear students. So in this video lecture we will discuss the mathematics of class 9 and we were discussing the coordinate geometry, that is the chapter number 3 in the mathematics. So today we will discuss the part 2 in which we will see the example number 1 which is given in your textbook. In the last part we have done some examples and the introduction part of the chapter which is the coordinate geometry, and we have also sent you the PDF of the exercise 3.1. So for doing the exercise 3.2 we have to understand the example number 1 and example number 2 which is given in your textbook. So here in this video lecture today we will discuss about the example number 1 which is given in your textbook. So let us see the example number 1, and after doing this example you will be able to solve the exercise 3.2, and we will also send you the PDF of the exercise 3.2 that you can see in your WhatsApp number, right? So here you can see the example number 1. Here the example, the figure is already given here. You can see this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and this is our Cartesian plane, right? So here you can see the quadrant 1, and this is the quadrant 2, and this is the quadrant 3, and this is the quadrant 4. As you can see that this is the x-axis, right? Here we can write the x-axis and here we can write the y-axis, right? So the introductory part in which I have already discussed about what is the graph and how we can make the Cartesian plane by making the two axes. One is the horizontal axis which is known as the x-axis, and another one is the vertical axis which is known as the y-axis. So this is the diagram which is already given in the example number 1. So here what they are saying that see in the figure 3.11, this is the figure 3.11, and complete the following statements. Here you can see the 4 statements. Statement 1, 2, 3 and 4 are given, and by observing this graph or the Cartesian plane you have to write the answer. Here you can see that there are some fill in the blanks. We have to observe the graph and we have to fill this fill in the blanks over here. So right, we can do very easily. You can see this is the B point which is lying into the quadrant 1, and here you can see there is the point M which is lying into the quadrant 2, and in the quadrant 3 we will see there is the point L and the point S that is into the quadrant 4, right? So what they are saying, what is the first question? Let's discuss. The abscissa and the ordinate of the point B are dash and dash respectively. So in this fill in the blanks we have to show the abscissa. What does it mean? Abscissa is the x coordinate, right? As I have already explained in the last video lecture. And what is the ordinate? Ordinate, that is the y coordinate. So here we have to write the x coordinate and the y coordinate in this fill in the blank. So what is the question? The abscissa and the coordinate of the point B. Where the point B located? You can see point B is locating in the quadrant number 1. This is the quadrant 1, right? So B जो है यहाँ पर, इसके हमको यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है? R, the and dash respectively. तो यहाँ पर B के जो पॉइंट है, राइट, यानी कि B के जो हमारा x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट है वो हमको यहाँ से ढूंढना है और यहाँ पर हमको लिखना है, राइट? तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं व्हाट इज द एब्सिसा. एब्सिसा मींस द x कोऑर्डिनेट. सो यू कैन सी द x एक्सिस and here you can see the point 4, right? That is the point 4 which is the coordinate of the point B. This is the x coordinate, that is known as the abscissa, and here you can match this line and you can see 3 is the y coordinate. So we can write 4, 3. This is the way we can write the coordinate of the point B in the quadrant 1. So here you can fill the 4 and 3, right? 4 means the abscissa, that is the x coordinate, and 3 means the ordinate which is the y coordinate. So this is the answer. So question number 1 we have done, right? Now we come to the question number 2. What is the statement? The x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point M, right? Where the M lies? M lies in the quadrant number 2, right? This is the point M. तो यहाँ पर ये आपसे पूछ रहे हैं x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point M are, right? तो यहाँ पर M के हमको coordinates बताने, x coordinate बताना है और y coordinate. So first of all we have to observe the x axis. So what we can get? The x coordinate of the point M is -3. Here you can see that if we draw a line parallel to the y axis, so we will get the x coordinate which is the -3, and if we draw the parallel line which is parallel to the x axis, so we will get the y coordinate which is the 4. So here we can easily write the coordinate -3, 4. right? So here we can write the -3 here. This is the x coordinate, and here यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं -3 रेस्पेक्टिवली, राइट? तो यहाँ पर हमको x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट पूछा हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर हम जनरली कैसे लिखेंगे इसको, -3,4, राइट? -3,4 जो है ये इसके x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट है रेस्पेक्टिवली, हेंस द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट m -3 and 4. इस तरीके से हम यहाँ पर इसको लिख सकते हैं. सो यू कैन सी ऑन द बोथ प्लेस you can write the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point M, right? Now in the third statement, the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point L are, right? यहाँ पर जो point L है which is lying in the third quadrant, right? तो यहाँ पर हमको L point का x coordinate और y coordinate बताना. Here you can see the two fill in the blanks, right? So if we see the x coordinate is -5, you can easily observe, and the y coordinate is -4. So here we can write -5, right? -5 and -4, right? यहाँ पर भी हम लिख सकते हैं -5 and -4. This is the coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. Now in the fourth statement, the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point S. You can see the point S lies in the fourth quadrant, and R, what we can say, S का coordinate होगा 3 और इसका coordinate होगा -4. You can easily find out, right? So here we can write 3 and here we can write -4. Again at the last of this statement we can write, यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 3 and -4. So this is how we can complete this question. Example number 2 is also given in your textbook, which is very similar to the example number 1, and you will find some questions in the exercise 3.2. So on the basis of this example, you can observe the figure and write the coordinate, which is the x coordinate and y coordinate. So see friends, it is very simple. If you understand the introductory part of this chapter, what is the quadrant, what is the coordinate, what is the abscissa, all this term if you have already learned, so you can easily solve the exercise 3.1 and 3.2. And we have already sent you the PDF of the exercise 3.1. In the next video, we will see the another example to solve the exercise 3.3, and you will definitely get the PDF of the exercise 3.2 into the WhatsApp group, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.